Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted guide to consumer rights, awareness, and empowerment and education. Today we will talk about Indo-French relations. Achieving new heights of development. India and France share a long-standing partnership based on mutual trust, shared democratic values, and a common vision for global stability and prosperity. Over the years, this relationship has grown stronger, evolving into a multi-dimensional strategic alliance that covers defense, trade, energy, technology, and cultural exchanges. As both nations embark on new collaborations, Indo-French relations are reaching unprecedented heights, paving the way for greater cooperation and development. Before going ahead and further discuss, please comment, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon to motivate us. The roots of Indo-French relations date back to the colonial era, with France maintaining a presence in India through territories like Pondicherry, Chandarnagar, and Mahe. However, the modern diplomatic engagement between the two nations began in earnest after India's independence in 1947. France was one of the first European countries to support India's sovereignty and strategic autonomy, fostering a relationship based on mutual respect. In recent years, high-level visits and diplomatic engagements have reinforced the Indo-French bond. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron have played crucial roles in strengthening this partnership. Frequent summits, bilateral agreements, and participation in global forums such as the G7, G20, and the United Nations have enabled both nations to align their interests on global issues, including climate change, counterterrorism, and sustainable development. One of the most significant areas of Indo-French cooperation is defense. France has been a key partner in India's military modernization. The purchase of 36 Rafale fighter jets from France was a landmark deal that enhanced India's air defense capabilities. Joint military exercises, such as the Varuna naval drills, Garuda air exercises, and Shakti army exercises, have strengthened operational coordination between the two nations. France has also supported India's bid for membership in key global defense organizations, such as the Nuclear Suppliers Group, NSG. Additionally, cooperation in space and cybersecurity is growing, ensuring that both countries remain at the forefront of technological advancements in defense. Economic ties between India and France have seen remarkable growth. France is one of India's largest trade partners in the European Union, with bilateral trade exceeding $12 billion annually. French companies such as Dassault Aviation, Airbus, Renault, and Schneider Electric have invested significantly in India, contributing to the Make in India initiative. Conversely, Indian businesses, including Tata, Infosys, and Mahindra, have expanded their presence in France. The two countries are also exploring opportunities in emerging sectors such as green energy, digital transformation, and artificial intelligence. France has been a key partner in India's quest for sustainable development. The two countries co-founded the International Solar Alliance, ISA, in 2015, aiming to promote solar energy globally. This initiative has gained international recognition and is playing a crucial role in accelerating the transition to renewable energy. Additionally, France has invested in India's smart city projects, urban transportation, and sustainable infrastructure development. Collaborations in nuclear energy, including projects with EDF for setting up nuclear power plants in India, further strengthen their partnership in clean energy. Indo-French cooperation extends to scientific and technological innovation. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, and the French space agency CNES have been long-term partners in satellite launches, climate monitoring, and interplanetary missions. The Megha-Tropicus and Saral satellites are examples of successful joint space projects. With growing interest in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and quantum computing, Both countries are fostering research collaborations and startup ecosystems to drive technological advancements. Cultural and educational ties between India and France continue to flourish. France is a popular destination for Indian students pursuing higher education, with numerous scholarships and exchange programs available. Institutions such as Sciences Po, HAC Paris, and INSAAD attract Indian talent, while French language and culture are promoted in India through Alliance Française centers. Tourism is another strong link between the two countries. France remains one of the top travel destinations for Indian tourists, while Pondicherry and other former French territories in India continue to attract French visitors. India and France are strengthening their cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. With a shared vision for a free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific, both nations are working together to ensure maritime security, freedom of navigation, and regional stability. Joint naval deployments and strategic dialogues reflect their commitment to maintaining peace and security in this vital region. As India and France continue to deepen their partnership, new opportunities for collaboration are emerging. From boosting digital innovation and AI-driven solutions to expanding defense production and sustainable energy initiatives, the future looks promising. With a shared commitment to multilateralism and global peace, Indo-French relations are set to reach new heights in the years to come. The Indo-French relationship stands as a testament to mutual trust, strategic partnership, and shared aspirations. With growing cooperation in defense, trade, energy, technology, and culture, the alliance between India and France is stronger than ever. As both nations continue to explore new avenues of collaboration, their bond will play a crucial role in shaping global geopolitics and driving sustainable development. The journey ahead promises even greater milestones, solidifying Indo-French relations as one of the most dynamic and influential partnerships of the 21st century. If you like our video to motivate us, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times.